You're doing a burnout. Still Tokyo Drift?
Oh, shit.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to J Wheelie. Let's get you a little drift here. Oh, caught ya. Oh, you're upside down. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So, I'm actually coming at you from the future now because I forgot to intro the video yesterday. So, yesterday was crazy. It was the first real snow of the year. We got about 8 inches to a foot. Like where it drifted, it was over a foot. You guys will see the clip in this video of my car barely making it in the driveway. There was that much snow. It was just bottoming out. Crazy, crazy snow. So if you're not from Canada, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to all the winter activities. And this is how Canadians get down. It's gonna be a great time. So watch as we drift cars and pull each other with pit bikes in the snow and just have a lot of fun in the blizzard. It's gonna be a blast. Oh, missed third there. I don't know how to explain it out here except for surreal. It's just so beautiful. It's like a little piece of heaven. As soon as you shovel, there's a fresh layer there. That's just what I like. I hope it keeps snowing forever. I'd love 3 feet of snow today. All right, I just had my second breakfast, but look at this. I'm gonna put my winter tires on, and I bet you I just shoveled an hour ago, and look at this. This is so awesome. This is so sick.
Snow wheelies.
Here, come follow me over here. So this is Mark's bike that I got for him, aka Sarah's dad. He just put a new set of studded tires on there, so I had to take it for a rip. And it's awesome. The road is so icy. Give it a pan over here. Icy road. With these puppies, you'll never fall.
I like that endorsement. Let me get a close-up on the wheels.
Pretty sharp. They scratched up Sarah's car already.
They did.
Right? We got a casualty. There you go, big guy. Coming at you from the future again. So in the next few clips here, we met up with 3 buddies. So we met up with Cam in the 335, Jared in the Lexus IS250, and Zach in the X5. And then we went to hit some loading bays and just have some fun in all this snow. So watch, enjoy, leave a comment about your favorite snow story. Leave a comment about your favorite snow story. Back to the video. Look at Jared back there, can you see that?
Oh yeah.
This is awesome. No plate. There we go, baby. Close your window if you do it, because it gets in your face. Oh, Oh, that muffler delete though. That's my cold laugh. What do you have to say about that?
Oh, my lights on my dash just came on.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
That thing sounds good now.
Oh, yeah, I just smoked myself.
Yeah, it sounded like it.
Have a look at my interior after that.
Oh, you had your windows open too.
Yeah.
Mine was open a crack and oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Oh, you were throwing down out there. That's awesome, hey?
Those speed bumps are kind of gnarly going fast.
I know. You feel like Ken Block going sideways over him.
Yeah, definitely like a little too much snow.
Throw down again. Amy, what do you think of the new muffler delete?
I think it's pretty badass.
Ah! Ah! Look at my head.
Is this the one that we go-karted at? Look at Jared!
Zach's truck really freaking hauls to it. Tokyo Drift!
Still Tokyo Drift?
Oh, for sure.
Bring it in, baby, bring it in. Reel her in.
Oh yeah, don't let him run you over now.
Oh, oh! Bring it in, reel it in. Uh-oh. It's gonna be like those videos where the one guy gets clipped and does a flip.
His rims, you're gonna have bad vibration. You better poke that out before you get on the road. Seriously.
Oh, that is deep stuff.
I know you guys can't really see much, but there's like 3 sets of Ken Block speed bumps in this yard.
Yeah.
And it's fun to just go sideways over them. All right, so we're having a cyclone competition. I told Zach to turn all the way one way and floor it, so here we go. Nice marks. Solid performance.
Yeah, was that okay?
That's a good baseline, yeah.
Got the Jap Scrap 3000.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Holy. I think we're gonna head to Timmy's and grab something. You want a hot chocolate? You look like you could use one.
Is there a Timmy's we can hit where there's an underground parking?
We can head over there. I'd be down to cruise over there. I don't know. I'm not too sure. All these things look good right now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got you on video there. Okay, we'll do windows up for safety. Let's follow Cam. wheel speed got up to about 100 there.
Actually?
Yeah. Get a close up on Zach here.
Oh, yikes.
Oh, out of nowhere. That's what you want from a J Wheelie video, right? A little bit of uncertainty.
Not me.
You see that chunk of ice and snow fly up there?
Thank you.
All right, I'm ready. You're doing a burnout. Thing sounds good.
It does.
I'm amazing you, Sarah. You're just like, I'm great.
Okay, we got the 85cc Tao Tao. Give her the beans, baby!
Can I take it for a quick rip? Yeah, everybody. Okay. Just real quick. Is it better with the tires lower? I think tell the difference on.
Oh, he's ridden it before. Look at that control, holy. It's not easy to control that thing. I took a good spill over there.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
That's where I wiped down too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it's fucking slippery over there.
Oh my god, look at this guy.
It looks so great.
The front brake is frozen too, so good thing he knows how to turn it around. Turns his light on.
Kick it into gear.
Yeah. We're live, right on. So we'll check out the angle here. See how it is.
Okay, ready?
I'm so ready.
Wait till these cars go past.
Okay.
Usually what I do in snow like this, like you might have to run with it a little bit.
Yeah, I'll do that. This is awesome. We got Tokyo Drift Man over here.
You need a road with a little more traffic.
Oh, this is so fun.
Too much powder here. Yeah. All right. Way too slippery here.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I want to try going to powder.
That Crown Vic sounded pretty mean back there.
It did. Now we're dead. Oh dear.
Is it in neutral or?
Yeah. No, it's actually not. Oh dear. Oh, we're stranded now.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Hold on. What is going on with her? here, Deputy. We're getting fuel. Never had it die on me.
That?
Too much fun.
You're a madman on there. You can control that thing like crazy.
Yeah?
It's frozen.
The neighbors probably love me. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I definitely got some good angles.
I need to hear about this scooter.
Which scooter?
What in my garage?
There's a scooter in your garage?
Oh my god. When will I get to know what it's for?
How did the scooter get in your garage?
You put it there!
I put it in the garage?
Yes!
Why would I put it in the garage?
Cause I don't know. That's why I'm trying to figure it out.
Oh, well, that's pretty wacky and wild.
Well, do I just leave it there? Or can I ride it around in my garage?
I was thinking maybe I could have it.
You can have it if you want, if you put it there.
Oh,
As long as my family didn't buy it.
Oh, I didn't put it there.
Actually, maybe come from the other side so you can see.
Okay, good to go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm positive.
What's wrong with that, eh?
Nothing wrong with it.
There's a curve there. That was a curve. I hope there's enough snow or I didn't do any damage. I'm such an idiot. I thought there could have been one there too, but I saw other people's tire tracks, so I was like, no, we're good. Oh, I'm glad there's a ton of snow because it didn't feel very harsh. It felt the same as going over a speed bump. I've hit a curb really hard in the Saab before, driving through like like a grassy parking lot, like a gravel parking lot, and I'm like, there shouldn't be any curbs in here. So I go for I was actually just driving straight, but I was in second gear, and then I go clunk clunk. So not good. Anyways, I wanted to say before we left, but I didn't. That pit bike at Cam's was so much fun, unbelievably fun. I fell off it quite a few times, and man, it was crazy. How's it going, brother?
Oh, having fun.
Oh yeah, you bet. Are you?
Oh, absolutely.
Good stuff. You like the snow? Somewhat.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Take care. Okay, this is our final product for the night. We were leaving Sarah's place, and the rears were frozen to the brakes. So I had like cold engine. I had to just rev it up, and we had to rock it back and forth and try and break it loose. And we finally broke it loose, but I wasn't comfortable revving it up that much. Anyway, back home now, and look at this. So I shoveled earlier today, as you guys saw, and we bottomed out hard trying to get this thing in the driveway. Like obviously it's fluffy snow, it's easy to get in, but there's so much snow. This is my dream. This is so awesome. Like this is insane. Look at this. This is like a foot of snow right here.
One day too.
Like yeah, I'm a size 10 and a half, so that's a foot of snow. That's awesome.